And welcome dear student. Today we will solve exercise 3.1 of NCERT class 10th maths. Okay. So our first question is Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Re- Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, so come let's solve this question. Exercise 3.1. Okay. Solution of question 1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. So suppose the age of Aftab's Aftab's apostrophe S will be Aftab's age, Aftab's daughter Aftab daughter age and Aftab age are X years and Y years respectively. Okay, according to question first condition is 7 years ago. Aftab says 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. So first we reduce 7 years from Y and 7 years from X. According to question, it is the age of Aftab before 7 years, and also it is the age of Aftab's daughter before 7 years. So the question says that Aftab 7 years old from his daughter before 7 years. Okay. So when we write here 7, when we multiply 7 to the x minus 7, then this expression and this expression will be equal. Okay, now we will solve y minus 7. 7 multiplied by x, 7x. 7 multiplied by 7 minus 49. Now write down in a linear equation into variable form. So transfer y to that side. 7x minus y minus 49 transfer to minus 7 to that side, it will be plus 7. Here will be 0. Okay, so we can write this also in this form. Minus 49 plus 7 will be minus 42 equal 0. So it is our first equation in linear form. Also in the second situation, Aftab again says 3 years from now, means after 3 years, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So we add 3 years to the aftab and again 3 years to the aftab's daughter. When we multiply 3 to the x plus 3, then this expression and this expression will be equal. Again we solve this, we get this, and transfer to that side, we get, it will be 9. Okay. 3x plus minus y minus 3 and plus 9, we get 3x minus y plus 6 equals 0. It is the second equation. Okay, so we write here equations 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 represent situation algebraically. Okay. Again we will represent the situation graphically or geometrically. Okay, so we write the graphically graphically representation is. So first we will form solution table of equation 1 and also equation 2. So we will write first the equation 1, y in terms of x. Okay, when we write y in terms of x, so this will be y is equal to minus 42 transferred to right side, it will be plus 42, minus plus 7x transferred to right side, it will be minus 7. So it is equation 3rd. So we write here, you can write this line after making the solution table. Okay, so there is no need of this line, we will write in after this, after write the solution table of the given equation 1 and 2. Okay, so first we write here the solution table of equation 3 is, okay, first put the value of x is equal to 0, you will get 0, and 42 minus 0 will be 42. Again we put the value of, it will be x and y. Okay, we take only two solutions. 0, 42. This is the wrong table. Now look the right table. First we put x and y. We put x is equal to 0, we get 42. Again we put x is equal to 6, we get 6 4 7 42. 42 minus 42 will be 0. Okay. Here again we write the solution table of equation. So we write again equation 2y in the terms of x. When we transfer y to that side, it will be positive y. So we write y and equal to 3x plus 6. Okay. The solution table of equation this is. Okay. So we draw the solution table. First we put x and y. We take x is equal to 0. We get y is equal to 6. Again we take x is equal to minus 2. We get y is equal to 0. Okay. Now next line we will write the graphical graphical representation of section 1 and 2 is. So for doing this, first we take x and y plane, x and y plane, xy plane, like in this way. Okay, it is the origin, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, first we will observe that in the both table the maximum value of x and also the minimum value of x, again the maximum value of y and the maximum value of y, and the minimum value of y. So now we will look the maximum value of x is 6 and the minimum value of x is minus 2. Again the maximum value of y is 42 and the minimum value of y is 0. Okay, so along x-axis we will take 1 semi is equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 minute. Okay, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. To the left side we will also take 1 2 3 and 4. On the y-axis we will take 1 centimeter is equal to 6 unit. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 6 unit. So now we will taking 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we take here, there is no space, so we take 1 centimeter is equal to 7 units. So 1 7 14 21 28 35 42. Okay, in the reverse side we can also write 1 2 3. There is no matter, we will take any unit on the x-axis and y-axis. It may be more, you can draw the more. We will take only 5 and 6 points on the x-axis and also on the y-axis. Okay, so it will be 7, it will be 14, 21, 28, 20, 35, and it is 42. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So from the first solution table we have x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 we get 42, y is equal to. So here is 0 and y is equal to 42 is here. So our first solution is this 0 comma 42. Again when we put x is equal to 6, then we get 0, y is equal to. So our second solution is this. Now we will match these 2 points and we get the line of the equation 1. Okay, so the name of the equation of this line is 7x minus y minus 42 is equal to 0. Okay, again our second line will be, so from second table we can take, when we take x is equal to 0 we get y is equal to 6. So our 6 will be here. Okay, and again when we take x is equal to minus 2 we get y is equal to 0. So minus 2 will be this. Now we will match. So the equation of this line is 3x minus y plus 6. So our question is completed now. Our solution of the question number 1 is completed now. Okay, again we will solve second question, solution of the second question. Okay, so solution of the second question. First we read the question. Our question is, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for 3900 rupees. Later he buys another bat and 2 more balls of the same kind of 1300 rupees. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically, or you can say graphically. So we take suppose the cost of one bat suppose the cost of one bat and one ball x rupees and y rupees respectively. Okay. According to question, because the cost of one bat is x rupees, therefore the cost will be the cost of 2 bats will be 2x rupees, and the cost of 3 bat will be 3x rupees. Okay, so according to question, we write the algebraic equation for the first situation. 3x plus 6y equal 1300. Okay, so take out 3 common, we get this x plus y, sorry, it will be 3900 rupees. 3900 rupees. Okay, so when we transfer 3 to that side, it will be in the form of divide. When divide, we get 1300. So x plus y is equal to, here will be 2y, 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 x plus 2y is equal to 1300. So it is our first equation. Again, our second situation will be x plus 2y, x plus 2y equal 1300. One bat, the cost of one bat and two balls will be 1300. So it is our second equation, algebraic equation. Now the solution table will be, so first we write from equation 1. So first we write the equation 1, y in the terms of x. So 1300 minus x upon 2. Okay, so first we put the value of x such that we get the value of y as an integer. Okay, so we write here the solution table of equation third is when we put x is equal to 0, we get y equal 1300 upon 2, 650. When we put x is equal to like 1300, we will get y is equal to 0. Okay, so it is our first solution table. Again, so again from equation 1, from equation 2, we write y in the terms of x. So y is equal to 1300 minus x upon 2. Okay, the solution table is, it is the same as the equation 4 is same as the, we write here the solution table of equation 4 is, so it is same as the equation of third. So their solution table will be also same. We can make a same solution table. 0, you can write here x is equal to 0, you get 650, and x is equal to 1300, you get like 0. Okay, so we write the graphical representation of the graphical, here will be the graphical representation of equations 1 and 2 is it is the x-axis, it is the y-axis. Okay, we take along x-axis we take along x-axis 1 unit 1 centimeter is equal to 200. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 200 means, or you can say 1 unit is equal to 200. In the same way, we draw on y-axis along positive direction. So here 100, 200, 300, 400, sorry 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. Okay, so here from we can observe from solution table 1, 0, when we take x is equal to 0 we get 650. So here 0 x is equal to and 650 will be 2, 4, 6, 600, it will be 700 and it will be 650. Again, when we take x is equal to 1300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, it will be 13. X is 1300, we get y is equal to 0. So this. Okay. So we draw, we match these 2 points. And when also we draw the graph of the equation 2, so the graph of the equation 2 will coincide with the graph of the equation 1. Okay, so we can say that both lines are coincident, means one line covered to first, one line covered to another, means first line is covered to second or second line covered to first. So it represents the both linear equations. Okay, means like 3x plus 6y equal 3x plus 6y equal 3900, and you can say or 3x plus 2y equal to 1300. Okay, means this represents the both line right here and okay. So our solutions of question number 2 is completed. Our third question is, you can write here 200, 400, 6, 8, 1000, 1200 and 1400. 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200, 1400, 1600. Okay, our third question is, now we will read the question number 3. Our third question is, the cost of, now look, the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Okay, so we will solve question number 3. Solution 3. Okay. Suppose, first line we will write here, suppose the cost of 1 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes are rupees X and rupees Y respectively. Okay, according to question, our first condition is the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. Means 2x plus y is equal to 160 rupees. Equation 1. Also, the second condition is after a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300. 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is 300 rupees. Equation 2. So we write from equation 1. We will write equation 1 y in the terms of x. Y is equal to 160 minus 2x. Equation 3. Okay. So the solution table of equation 3 is when we put here x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 160. When we put x is equal to 80, we get y is equal to 0. Again we write from equation 2 y in terms of x. Y it transfer to that side, 300 minus 4x, and multiple with y will be divide to the right side. Now take a common 2 in the numerator. We get 150 minus 2x upon 2. So we get y is equal to 150 minus 2x. Okay. Equation 4. The solution table of equation 4 is x. When we put x is equal to 0, we get 150. When we put x is equal to 75, we get y is equal to 0. Okay. So now we will draw the graph for these two equations 1 and 2. So we write the graphical representation of equations 1 and 2 is okay. Because the graph contains only 0 and positive value, so in the graph we will draw only along the positive x-axis and positive y-axis more. Okay, we extend only positive x-axis and positive y-axis direction. It is the origin. Okay, it is the x-axis, it is the y-axis. We take 1 unit is equal to 1 unit is equal to means 20. Okay, 1 unit is equal to 20. So 20 20 40 60 80 100 120 40 and 60. Along y-axis 20 40 60 80 100 20 100 40 60. Okay, so first when we take x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 160. So here will be first point. And when we take a x is equal to 80, 1 2 3 4 80, we get y is equal to 0. Now match this. Again for the second line, or the second line, we take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 150. So it will be this. And when x is equal to 75, means this, we get y is equal to 0. Means 75 will be, it is 60 and 80, it is 70 and it will be 75. Okay, so now match. So you can look here, it is the equation 1, means it is the line of equation 1, 2x plus y is equal to 160. And again it is the equation second, it is the line of equation second, 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. So thank you for watching my video. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye. If you have any doubt, please comment my comment section. Okay.